To my colleague Anas in Islamabad for the very latest now. And Anas, so lots of quick developments there. Of course, Imran Khan speaking in the National Assembly announcing that our pilot will be sent back. Now, do we know how this came about? What was the internal dialogue that went through before this decision was made?
Well, a lot to do on this has to be given to the United States as well, because the United States had been pressing Pakistan to show restraint, and what we can confirm that the United States Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, while speaking to the Pakistani Foreign Minister, he had urged the Pakistani Foreign Minister to ensure the safe release and return of the Indian pilot, and as a result of which, and then again the international pressure as well, as a result of which this happened. Now, the Pakistani Prime Minister said that it is as a result of a goodwill gesture. It might be as a result of goodwill gesture on their part, but also what we can confirm that the sources at the Pakistani Prime Minister office are telling FION that they are trying to establish a contact through diplomatic channels between the two prime ministers, and in all likelihood a phone call is likely to take place at 7 p.m. Now that 7 p.m. still remains unclear whether that's 7 p.m. India time or 7 p.m. Pakistan time between the two prime ministers. The Prime Minister's office sources, they're telling FION that the diplomatic channels are currently open, and they're trying to work out a formula or a solution to make sure to ensure that this call happens at all. Now this will come as a significant development post the announcement of the release of the Indian pilot by the Pakistani Prime Minister on that floor of the House as well. Yes, Bharvi.
All right, that's a very important point you're making there, Anas, that two things are happening. Of course, one is that they're likely or hoping for a phone conversation between the two sides at around 7 p.m. and also that the US played a significant role in this as well. And Anas, before I let you go, so what is exactly the protocol for the pilot to be sent back? Is he being sent back to the Wagah border? What are you picking up on that?
Well, the pilot is currently at an unknown location, so nobody knows his whereabouts, but in all likelihood he will be brought to Islamabad, and then from Islamabad he'll be taken through by road to Lahore, the Wagah border. At Wagah border, the Indian High Commission officials will be receiving him formally, and the Indian Air Attaché at the Indian High Commission here in Islamabad, Group Captain Mr. J.T. Kurian, he'll be accompanying the wing commander on his way from his journey from Wagah border all the way to India. So that is what the course of action is. It is being said that this exchange is likely to happen between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow, Pakistan time, at the Wagah border. Now remember, at 3:30 p.m. is when the Wagah border is closed for normal passing for normal exchanges in order for one to cross the border. So that is why they're expecting it to happen between 1 p.m. Pakistan time to 3 p.m. Pakistan time. That makes 1:30 India time to between 1:30 India time to 3:30 India time. He will be accompanied by the Indian High Commission officials. He'll be handed over the formal documents as well there at the Wagah border, and then the Indian Air Attaché at the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, Mr. Group Captain J.T. Kurian, he'll be accompanying him on his way onwards to India. Yes, Bharvi.
All right, Anas, thanks very much indeed for joining us with all the latest developments there.